Hello everyone, in this video I will show you CapCut settings you should turn off now. So actually there are some things here in CapCut settings that you might turn off in order for you to have a nice or smooth editing. So first is you have to go to this part where you can see this three lines right here. If you can see there is roughness or whenever you edit something it always keeps lagging. So you have to go to the three lines and select this first one, best performance. It will just focus on the way you edit the video. It will not really show the best quality of the video because it's more on the flow of editing, not really the quality of the video. So turn off best quality and switch to best performance. Another thing is that if you're using CapCut basic version, you have to turn off or you shouldn't use any effect, transition, anything here that is under Pro. If you use an effect right here or any feature that is under Pro, whenever you export your video, it will just stop you from proceeding, and instead CapCut will ask you to at least upgrade your account into Pro in order for you to proceed. So you have to take note that all features, all effects or anything here is under basic version if you are not using Pro version. Now, if you see these effects, these are linkage, these are axis, snapping. If you want to turn off this, you just have to go to this part right here and then click this one or untick this one in order for you to turn off this feature. If you think that it's kind of annoying or it's not helping with your editing, you just have to click this and all these lines right here will be removed or invisible. So aside from turning off at the best quality and switch to best performance and then not using the pro version effects or features here if you're using the basic version, there are also things that you need to turn off in the setting of the CapCut. So basically to go to the settings, you just have to simply click this menu right here and then you have to look for settings. So under settings, you will see this draft, edit performance and language. So if you want to auto delete cache, you need to tap this one. But if you don't want to auto delete cache, you have to turn off this by tapping this don't delete. And you can also change the days. Now, if you don't want this auto upload right here, you have to turn this one off. So you just have to toggle this one off right here. For edit, you can change the setting according to your device specs, and so on. Okay, so that's it. And actually, there are only a few things you need to turn off or you need to change here in CapCut. Even if you are using the basic version, you can still edit, you can still have a smooth edit here in CapCut. So there are just a few things you need to remember. You have to turn off or not use any effects that is under Pro. If you're using basic, you have to turn off best quality and switch to best performance. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you. If you want us to create or do something like a specific tutorial, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel.